Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use your Visa gift card on AliExpress. It's super easy, so let's get started. First, open up the AliExpress app on your phone. Make sure you are logged in into your account. If you don't have one, create a free account first. Browse through the categories and add your favorite items to your cart. Once you are ready, head to the checkout page. Well, I don't have any Visa gift card, so please do follow my voice instruction. In the checkout section, you will see a various payment options. Choose credit or debit card as your payment method. Now enter your Visa gift card's detail. You will need to input the 16-digit card number, the expiry date, and the CVV code, which is typically found on the back of your card. Enter your billing address. Now, this is an important step. Even though you are using a gift card, AliExpress needs the billing address associated with the card. So make sure it matches the one the gift card users provide. Once everything is filled in, double check your information and click Pay Now to complete the purchase. If your Visa card balance doesn't cover the full cost of your order, don't worry, AliExpress will usually allow you to pay the remaining balance using another payment method like PayPal or another credit card. And that's it. You have successfully used your Visa gift card on AliExpress. Now you are all set to enjoy your new items. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.